morning, everyone. All right, today is 21st of March 2024. It is around 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, let's have a quick analysis together. All right, last night, of course, we have a FOMC statement. And yeah, I would like to talk a little bit about it. Okay, so FOMC starts, first of all, let's start with FOMC fund rate, right? So one they are not raising or they are not cutting as we expected, right? It is they are holding this rate steady. Is rather the more important one was the economic projection and all his comment. Okay, let's go through a little bit of them. Okay, so I will be like mentioning quite a few important data here. All right, so what is happening right now is a Powell speak. Okay, overall, okay, first of all, overall, what he mentioned is he's very hawkish. Hawkish mean he was saying that inflation data are actually quite high. Actually, the inflation is stay high, right? So they are not really ready to, they are not really in the mood to cut the rate. Actually, he mentioned that they were right that they are not in a hurry, because of course he don't use the word hurry here. All right, of course he don't use the word hurry here. Instead, he used he waited. All right. So to summarize a little bit, actually what they mentioned is what he mentioned rather actually is hawkish. Okay, to put it into the blunt sentence, that mean inflation is high, no hurry to raise rate, but we may raise rate later. Okay, we may or we will raise rate later. Actually, he is pushing the cutting of the rate later. Okay, but he put it into the, of course, in a very mild manner. He didn't go straight to the point. And there's a one word he mentioned, inflation. All right, so what happened was that instead of as the market, right, instead of looking at the whole speech itself, I think they really pointed what they want to hear. The one sometimes market do whatever they want to do. Okay, so instead of looking at the whole picture, they only extract the word called inflation, and when people hear inflation, they just pump the market up because like especially the commodity. All right, so so he means something, but in a way, the market kind of react into the different way. Okay, I think that's the reason why when we, as a trader, when we take a trade, we cannot rationalize the market all the time. Okay, eventually, market will move as the fundamental goes, but in the shorter term, market can go into the opposite direction for quite an extended period of time. Okay, there's something that we need to be aware of as a trader. That's the reason why, that's why the famous saying go, market can act irrationally, longer than we can stay, the trader can stay solvent. That's why the risk management is very important. Okay, so just to conclude, Powell speech is hawkish. Okay, no high to cut rate. I think given choice that he don't even may want to cut a rate, but since he have promised it somehow, I think for the year of 2024, they will still cut the rate, but they are a bit reluctant. Okay, so hawkish. All right, so let's do the analysis together. All right, so let's talk about what we have for the remaining of the week. Okay, after the Fed fund rate, we still have quite a lot of item for this week. All right, we have SMB today later today, and also have a British pound. All right, British pound going to be quite an important one as well. Of course, they also will be announcing their rate decision, and this will be the major item for today. Okay, as for tomorrow, a little bit lesser, but of course, Powell will be speaking again. So to conclude, for today and tomorrow, the market will have a very big move to go. The very big move that they can go into. All right, so let's do the analysis together. All right, so let's start with the British pound. Okay, so British pound, our weekly plan is neutral. At the support, do not short. So I think it's turned out to be quite correct. We are expecting market will go to just here. So it is really as a support. I think market will likely to drift higher for now, in my opinion. All right. So this on the left is our future. Our CFD chart. Okay, hang on. Our right side, as usual, is our CFD chart, right? So they are the same. It's just that I want to see kind of like a volume at the moment. Okay, you can see here there's a bit of volume coming in on this two candle. Let me do this here. This two candle, right? This two candle. So I guess market can drift to this swing level first. So we are talking about somewhere to this region. Okay, so today, since today price action is pretty bullish, I think market can drift at least a little bit higher first. I guess it can go to 1.282 region in my opinion. All right, 1.282 is a good resistance. All right, so this is a good level that it can go to. So I'm more or less bullish for the time being. Okay, let me go to the euro. Okay, let me go through a little bit quickly. Yeah. All right, so euro also same. All right, they have a same pattern. Okay, let's take a look on the volume that indicating. Okay, our weekly plan is slightly bullish or bullish. So we were not bearish at all. So at least we are, in a way, we are quite correct in a way. All right, so I think the market can drift to the previous high, which is this swing level, right? So we are talking about somewhere to 1.096 level. All right, so it's slightly bullish as well. All right. So over the weekend, I have kind of like warned you guys that market is not as so bearish as the weekend appear to be, right? So this is what is happening right now. Okay, so let's go to Aussie. All right. Same thing. The left side is CFD, the right side is the future chart. Okay, Aussie, our retail traders, I have not been mentioning about the retail trader position because they are nothing significant at the moment. For Aussie as well, retail traders are minus 66. So if the market to go up higher and higher, of course, they from minus 66, they can become minus 70. So, and minus 75, this kind of stuff. So the point here is that if they want to go up higher, they have a lot of juice they can go up to, right? So I think market can drift to this level. All right, so of course, Aussie also slightly bullish rather. Okay, so 0.662. All right, if you want to short, right? If you want to short, of course, definitely not today, right? You need at least price action to show up first. Okay, so earliest you should short is maybe by tomorrow. All right, so it's no hurry to short at all. Or okay, so the whole week have been since Monday or so, the whole week have been bullish. So if you're looking for a short, you have to really just stand aside. Okay, I think it can go to 0.661. All right, so not a right time to selling right now. Okay, 0.662. All right, New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand is slightly different, I suppose. Okay, I will mention as well why. Okay, New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand. Let's take a look here. Okay, New Zealand is currently what we need to take note is that New Zealand, they having plus 87. Okay, there's a plus 87. Okay, there's something that we need to be careful on. So plus 87 mean what? I mean, the retail trader have been buying as the market go lower, right? So they have been buying until where we are right now is plus 87. That means they are really structuring to the very I mean, out of 100 people, 87 people are buying as the market go lower. So that means they are in a very big drawdown or loss already. So it's in another word, they are too extreme already. So I think the market will likely to snap back. All right, market will likely to snap back. I think it will cause the New Zealand to really go up pretty fast, in my opinion. All right, market will go up pretty fast, in my opinion. So I will be a bit I would say I will recommend you to long this guy today. This will be my first recommendation today. Look at the yesterday candle, it's pretty solid on the bullish side. I think market will at least go to this kind of region. Okay, I think we found some potentially reliable setups. All right, so I think it can easily go to 0.61. The another one is somewhere around 0.616. So I will be bullish on this guy. Looks like we have quite a bit of odd on our favor. All right. Since it's kind of counter trend, the only odd, I mean, the main reason we have is of course retail traders are so buy on the buy side to the T. So I would say it's go up higher. All right. So just be careful. But I mean, this is a better odd here. So we got one recommendation here already. Okay, another one is gold. All right, we have a very good run on gold. Okay, if you watch my video for the previous few videos, right? Actually, I have been mentioning gold overall is bullish. Okay, so instead of shorting, go look for a long only. So if we follow that particular direction, you know, I mean, we should be on the making money side, right? Gold is going up and up. So I still believe gold is going to go up higher. Okay. The only problem a little bit we have is, of course, this will be the problem for everyone. I mean, it's the entry, right? So of course, entry nobody can really predict in the exact, you know, drawing exact so-called conclusion. But I think the market will eventually go up higher. Okay, gold, silver in general, I think we should be you know, stay on the bullish side. You see, I mentioned that here can be a good support level. You know, market can go to here, then they go indeed, and they just touch a bit, then market really go to the upside already. So what we should do is that we can either long or wait and long on the gold here. Of course, to me, I would want the market to come down for me to buy in, right? But now the support is this ready, 2160. All right. So as long as 2160 is not really broken strongly, I think gold is stay a buy in my opinion. So it stay bullish to me. And in terms of retail trader, of course, they are doing, I mean, nothing really significant. They're only minus 67. What does it mean? That means market can go a lot higher. All right. So gold stays bullish, guy. Okay. I guess let's see on the silver. Should be the same. All right. From the market structural point of view, gold, silver, all of them are really bullish. You see, I have been mentioning that it will go up higher. It is going up higher. All right. So silver, gold, silver is bullish, gentlemen. All right. I will KIV on silver on the buy side. Okay. Speaking about silver, silver is our recommended pair for this week. Actually, in the weekly analysis, if you go and watch my last Monday video, silver is on the long side. So you know, we are on the right track. Okay, silver, stay long, gentlemen. Okay, go for a buy side also. Okay, another one is US dollar Canadian. All right. US dollar Canadian, I expect market to go to this manner. So it's already go to here already. All right. So it's kind of from there, they are kind of going back to the downside. Since it is already fulfilled, I'm gonna take it out already. Okay, so let's stay on the Canadian. Okay, you can see Canadian markets. Canadian is getting stronger. Okay, if the Canadian getting stronger, oil price should be going stronger as well. Okay, so Canadian is here. We got volume here. We got volume here. They push the price up. Then from there, market kind of pull back with not much of the big volume. Right. Then here they coming again. So it's mean they might be doing the run up. This is version 1. This is the version 2. Of course, nothing is 100%, but that might be a case. If it is version 2 happen, there's a version 1. Version 2 happen, this is gonna be a version 2. Okay. I will have to be on the bearish side now. So it's okay. So right now it's bearish. Don't buy on this fella. Okay, let's look at the retail trader, minus 67. Nothing really going on here. So they are all clear to go down if they want to. Okay. Okay, another one is US dollar CHF. US dollar CHF, US dollar JPY, we are kind of expecting to go down lower. I think we have good setup forming. And you can see the arrow, I mentioned that it will go here. It's already go already. So, okay, I will take it out. So, same thing. I think market is about to go up higher. That mean the Swiss franc going to go up higher. It means US dollar Swiss franc in general is going to go lower. Okay, you can see same thing, just like what happened to just now the Canadian that I mentioned. Run up number 1. I think we are going to have a run up number 2. So it's mean Swiss franc run up number 1 and number 2 mean, right? That means US dollar Swiss franc go down number 1 and go down number 2 is coming. All right. So bearish, gentlemen. I kind of like this information. Yeah, it's bearish. So we have second recommendation today ready. I got 2 ready, gentlemen. First one is US dollar New Zealand long. Second one is US dollar CHF short. Hey, not bad, huh? We have quite a few good setups for today. All right, US dollar JPY. That is my recommended pair for this week. I have been waiting for a bearish setup. I think somebody is answering my prayer right now already. Of course, I have a short on GJ. I got a stop out on that. But I think it's for US dollar JPY is only now then starting. Okay, we have a good kind of like double top kind of condition going on. So same thing, this is a run up number one, and we're gonna have a run up number two on Japanese yen. So that means we have a so-called run down number one, and we have a run down number two on US dollar Japanese yen. So it's bearish as well. So you can choose either US dollar JPY or US dollar CHF. So this will be the recommended on the short side as well. Okay, so we got three ready. Okay, we got three recommendation. Okay, let's move on. Not bad, huh? Okay, let's move on. US market. US market. Sorry, not this one. Not this one. Okay, so I was expecting market to come to retest this. They didn't want to retest, so too bad. Okay, for this guy, we are not really like buying or selling at this moment for this position, for this instrument. We were just like no recommendation this guy, so now it's bullish, so let it be. Okay, so it's of course bullish. Okay, another one that I'm interested in is Hong Kong. All right. Okay, Hong Kong, I am watching it closely. I think by today or by this week, put it this way. All right. I think we are coming into the good run up again. All right. So I guess Hong Kong is going to go up higher again. Okay. So don't short. You can long if you want to. But I think market is running so-called turning to the upside in my opinion. So Hong Kong will be my another KIV for today. Wow, not bad, huh? Okay, just keep in mind. Okay, just keep in mind. Sometimes having so much KIV or having too much recommendation is also not very good, because they are pointing to the certain direction strongly. So if you are right, you can be right a lot. If you're wrong, you can be wrong a lot also. Please be aware of that. Okay. Everything have a two side. Okay. So you need to be aware of that. All right, let's move on. DEX. DEX should follow US market lah. No need to see lah. All right, so it's of course on the more on bullish side. Okay, I'm a bit interested on the crude oil. All right, crude oil. Let's see. Okay, crude oil is kind of getting a little bit weird, because if the Canadian dollar is getting stronger, by right, crude oil should be getting stronger also. Okay, our weekly plan is neutral, so I think I will stand aside for the time being. I have not so much comment on the crude oil. Maybe market will eventually go up higher. All right, since all the commodities are going higher, I will wait it out. I think we will wait around this kind of support level for potential buy, this kind of level, $80 and $78. We are not really hurry into the long now, but at least do not short. I think that would be the right words here, in my opinion. All right, so crude oil, let the market pull back a little bit, but we should wait for a buy position only. Okay, so currently it's neutral. We will stand aside. Okay. All right, another tree fella is a little bit interesting. Okay, let's take a look on the wheat. Okay, by the way, our inner circle know our position. We have a few soybean position, and I think it's really making a lot of good profit on them. Okay, so we will hold. Of course, when we are making money, we do nothing, right? Because we are on the right direction, market can really go up higher. Okay, wheat. Okay, let's take a look on the volume. Okay, I really like this volume of here. That's to prove that when the market was going down, there are a lot of interest coming in to scoop the price. So if you notice, they go down one time and they retest. I think they're going to break out higher, in my opinion. So I'm kind of confident the market will really retest back to this congested zone. So I'm talking about we will go to 570, 580 kind of condition. So overall, it's slightly bullish. All right. I won't be adding a lot aggressively just yet, because I want to wait for this weekend to reevaluate. So at least I will not short. Okay, so this on the wheat. Okay, let's take a look on the soybean. Good. Soybean having a good boy. Quietly, they are climbing. All right, we have a long position. I think we are in for a good treat. Okay, so I guess soybean will go back to this congested zone. All right, this congested zone. So we are talking about somewhere here. So it's explain the arrow here. So this should be the pretty easy, in my opinion. Maybe by today or tomorrow they should reach. 1240. So soybean is bullish, gentlemen. Don't sell. Okay. In fact, we already have position. So just enjoy the ride lah. All right. Good boy commodity. Okay. Wow, sometimes it's a bit guilty in a way to make money just by looking at the computer, right? Anyway, I mean you can lose money also, okay? I'm not being cocky, all right? Just saying something. All right. Trading can lose money also. Okay. Okay. Con, same also. I guess market is going to go up higher. All right. So stay on the buy side still. I am not going to change to the sell side at all. I don't really see any reason to do so. Just to keep in mind, gentlemen, I would like to wait for this weekend data to evaluate further. So just hold tight for now. Okay, the next one, the big one, BTC, right? BTC was a very good the support and resistance play. Okay, I have mentioning that 60,000 to 61 or 62 around this 60K lah, put it this way, having a very good support, right? So it really so-called go to that particular point. So see, they really go just to 60K level and they really have a good bounce. Okay, they really have a good bounce. So I think what the market is doing right now is they're just going back to this resistance zone. All right, the resistance zone. Since the price action is bullish, of course, I'm not going to sell anything at all. Okay, so I think the market can really drift up higher. Okay, let's take a look in terms of other data, right? Because crypto, because crypto have better data available, we better make a good use out of it, right? So I just want to mention here, I think crypto, you can use this website. Okay, I will post the link in the description. All right. So what happened to here is that when the crypto was going up, okay, left chart, right chart is the same. Okay, but the right chart can see better lah, put it this way. All right. So I would like to bring your attention to this particular day. All right. You see, market was going down, but in the end of that day, market didn't go all the way down. Market recover back to here. If you look at that day, what happened was that there's a lot of liquidation going on here. It means when the market was going down, so-called the flash crash lah. All right, market was going down. There are a lot of position are being stopped out. All right, that means a lot of buy position with a very tight stop loss are stopped out. So once they are stopped out already, of course, the market go up higher. All right. Then when it come to this particular candle, the opposite become true, right? Whoever short gets stopped out. So market is basically just like a water, one basin to another basin. They are just moving around left to right. They are trying to stop out a lot of stop along the way. So they go down, stop out all the longs or many longs position. They go up, stop out a lot of short position. All right. So after they stop out a lot of short position, what they do, of course, market didn't go up anymore lah. Market go down some more. Then look at the 2 days ago candle, which is this red color candle. You see the same thing happened over and over again, right? So you will notice they stop out here, they bring the market to stop out. After the market go up higher, and now they're bringing the market down for yesterday, 2 days ago, to stop out also. So what should be the next step? Of course, they were likely to drift up higher, at least for a time being. Correct? You see the same pattern, appear over and over again. All right. So for now, I think the Bitcoin were likely to drift up for the higher for the time being, in my opinion. All right. So at least they will go to it. Okay, like just like almost a 70K is almost likely the given already. All right. Okay, will it go up all the way higher or not? Of course, I would like to see the market forces on the weekend. Right. I want to see other data. But as of right now, don't sell. I think market will likely to go to 68K and 70K region. Okay. So now you roughly know the market is most of the time is about stop hunting. Okay. They want to hunt this long. After a while, they want to hunt the short. This kind of stuff. All right. So to me, as of Bitcoin right now, all right, as of Bitcoin right now, I think it will likely to go to 70K or maybe even 68K first. Okay, so don't short, gentlemen. If you are a seller, all right, if you are a seller, I think it's good for you to wait it out at the higher level for the time being. Okay, so just stand aside. If you're making some money from the short, No, market never go up or go down in straight line. Okay, they will create even in a go down position, they will create this kind of sort of like a lower high. So I think we are, at least we might be doing something like this. Okay, I will not want to comment well this happened or not, but at least we are doing this first. Okay, so I think 68 to 70K is I think is very highly possible. Okay, so do not short, gentlemen, since all the commodities are doing well anyway. Okay. Okay, so next guess. If you are a crypto trader, all right, you need to use this kind of market analytics. Actually, this is even considered very noob level. You know, there are a lot of websites, or some are paid one, of course, that for you to analyze a lot of inside data. All right, because as a trader, you better have as better tool as possible, because you are against all the the war writers, these kind of people. So yep, it's better to have a good tools on your disposal. All right, so next one, natural gas. Natural gas have been really testing our nerve. All right, one day up, one day down. Okay, just let it be. I will just neutral, no adding new position at all. Okay, so let it be. All right, so just to have a quick recap. All right, just to have a quick recap. I have a few recommendation. All right, I have a few recommendation. I have New Zealand long. I have US dollar CHF on the short side, or US dollar JPY on the short side. Okay, US dollar CHF and US dollar JPY, you can choose one. Okay, you don't have to trade both. Okay, so we got so-called 3 recommendation, and I have 1 KIV on the silver on the buy side. Okay, so after pretty much of last half an hour of talking, we have come up with 3 potential counter that can help us make money. All right, guys. So thank you very much. I'm going to upload this video in the YouTube as well, in our group as well. So have a good day. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Thank you very much.